Okay, this is a 2009 Mini Cooper S, the N14 engine. It's a mixture of a BMW and Peugeot. She wasn't really bringing any fault codes up, but it's a wee bit easy stalled and wasn't nice on and off the throttle at low revs. Sometimes she wouldn't boost, sometimes she did. And I thought she was just going like a pig. Now, this happened to me on a 1.4 HDI Citroen C3 one time, the exact same thing, only she had very little power. So you've got vacuum pipes, one going to your turbocharger, you have one going to your vacuum pump, and it all circulates. This is down below the inlet manifold and the airbox. Absolute pig of a place to get at. So anyway, the problem is there's a wee catchment tank down there that was stinking of oil. This car has had a rocket cover gasket, and obviously previous to that it's been leaking down there. I've cleaned that. So there's two. There's an outlet there. There's look, in and out. Sorry if you can see it here. Yeah, there it is. And these two pipes go onto it. What has happened to them, they've saturated themselves with the oil running down the back of the engine till they've swole up, and they're just sitting there doing very little. You know what I mean? They've expanded, and that's the same system on all the Peugeot engines for the vacuum. So there you go. There's no parts would have fixed that. So there they are. There's the two of them again. You can see them down in there, and they're just sitting on top of that doing very little, making the car run like a pig.